Bob Marley was more than just a musician, he was a cultural icon and a symbol of hope for millions around the world. In this profile analysis, we will take a closer look at his life, career, special talents, marriage, personal life and challenges, accomplishments, awards, controversies, philanthropy, and enduring legacy. Early life. Bob Marley was born in 9 Mile, Jamaica, on February 6, 1945, to a mixed-race family. He grew up in poverty and was exposed to music at a young age through his mother, who was a singer. He began playing guitar and singing as a teenager, and was influenced by reggae, ska, and rocksteady music. Career. Bob Marley's career began in the late 1960s, when he formed the band The Wailers. He quickly became a sensation and was known for his unique voice, style, and lyrics that spoke to social and political issues. He went on to become one of the most influential musicians of all time, with hits like No Woman, No Cry, Redemption Song, and One Love. Special talents. In addition to his singing and performing talents, Bob Marley was also a skilled songwriter and activist. He used his music to spread messages of peace, love, and unity, and his lyrics continue to inspire people around the world. Marriage. Bob Marley was married once, to Rita Marley, whom he met while they were both members of the Wailers. They had several children together, and remained married until Bob's death. Personal life and challenges. Bob Marley's personal life was marked by struggles with poverty, racism, and health issues. He suffered from cancer and died at the young age of 36. He also faced criticism for his political activism and his use of marijuana. Accomplishments. Bob Marley's accomplishments include being one of the most influential musicians of all time, with estimated sales of over 75 million records worldwide. He won numerous awards and accolades throughout his career, including induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1994. Awards. Bob Marley won numerous awards throughout his career, including induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1994. He was also posthumously awarded the Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award in 2001. Controversies. Bob Marley faced several controversies throughout his career, including criticism for his political activism and his use of marijuana. He was also the target of an assassination attempt in 1976. Philanthropy and humanitarian efforts. Bob Marley was known for his philanthropy and humanitarian efforts. He donated millions of dollars to various charities and organizations, including the United Nations and the Jamaican Red Cross. He also performed benefit concerts and made personal donations to those in need. Legacy and impact. Bob Marley's legacy and impact on popular culture are undeniable. He influenced countless musicians and artists across many genres, and his music continues to be popular today. He is remembered as a cultural icon and a symbol of hope for people around the world. Cause of death. Bob Marley died on May 11, 1981, at the age of 36, from complications related to melanoma. He had been diagnosed with cancer in 1977 and had refused surgery due to his Rastafarian beliefs. In conclusion, Bob Marley was a legendary musician and activist whose life and career were marked by both triumphs and challenges. Through this profile analysis, we hope to gain a deeper understanding of his personality and behavior. Thank you for watching, and we hope this analysis was informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video.